So you're thinking about applying to Covenant? That's great. My name is Kelly and I'm here to guide you through the application process. Covenant's application opens July 1st, the summer before your senior year of high school. You can also apply to Covenant through the Common App, which allows you to apply to multiple schools at the same time, and that opens August 1st. Covenant offers rolling admission, which means we continually review applications as they come in. You'll typically hear back from us within a few weeks of completing your application. Our early action and competitive scholarship deadline is November 10th, so we encourage you to apply before then. If you need some more time, our regular decision deadline is March 1st, but really it's best to apply as soon as you can. When you're ready to apply, here's what you'll need. Your high school transcript, including any dual enrollment transcripts, and your standardized test scores. We accept the ACT, SAT, and CLT, whichever works best for you. Though submitting your test scores is not required for admission to Covenant, we do prefer to have them. We'll also accept your super score so you can put your best foot forward. If you're choosing to apply through Covenant, head to covenant.edu/apply and navigate to the Covenant application. Select the appropriate term, which is when you plan to enroll. We'll ask you to provide some personal and family information. Then we'll ask about your interests, your intended major, and how you heard about Covenant. This next section is where you'll add the name of any schools you've attended. That's your high school, homeschool program, or any colleges you've taken dual enrollment classes at. Then you'll have the opportunity to submit your test scores. You can either enter them yourself now or have them officially sent through ACT, SAT, or CLT. When you request your official scores, use Covenant College's code 3951 for the ACT and 6124 for the SAT. Next, if you have an application fee waiver code, you'll enter that in this section. Finally, we'll ask you to type your full name to serve as an electronic signature. Click Submit, and congrats! You've submitted the first part of your application to Covenant College. You'll now have access to your application portal, which is where you'll see important updates on your admissions status, pay your application fee, and learn everything you need to know to be a Covenant Scot. There are still a few other materials we will need from you before your application is complete. Learn more about reference letters and your personal testimony in the other videos in this playlist. The college application process may be overwhelming, but know that your admissions counselors at Covenant are here to help.